now we are going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 1998. So given that a periodic signal x of t of a period t naught is given by x of t equals to 1 for mod t less than t1 and 0 for t1 less than mod t less than t naught by 2. So here we need to find the DC component of x of t. For this given x of t, we need to find the DC component. DC component is nothing but average value. So here coming to the solution, given that x of t equals to 1 for this is mod t less than t1 is nothing but that is from minus t1 to t1 and 0 for other values, 0 for otherwise is given here. So the DC component of x of t is obtained by, so DC value nothing but that is the average value over the period. Let us consider the period is t naught for the given expression. This is 1 by t naught integral the sum divided by the total value. So sum is obtained by taking the integral over 0 to t naught x of t dt divided by t naught, here the total value. So this is the expression to find the DC value. So by finding this value we will get the DC value, DC component equals to, this is 1 by t naught, the period is given 0 integral, here it is given that this is 1 over minus t1 to t1, 1 over minus t1 to t1 and 0 for otherwise, So by finding this integration 0 for otherwise, so this value is equals to 1 by t naught, the integration value is that is t minus t1 to t1, the value becomes 2t1 by t naught here. So this is the DC component of this x of t, that is the answer is option C here.